Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Markets are looking pretty good here, pre-markets. We might be hitting new all-time highs today. We're about a few hundred points away from that. First off, let's go over a couple of our trades. Boeing, still in breakout momentum, continuing to climb. I want to look for that 195 today, hopefully. Have some profits on that, lock that in. AbbVie, ABBV. AbbVie is looking great as well. Might be taking in profits on that today. We'll see how that goes. Disney has earnings, I believe, tomorrow after the bell. Right, Ephraim? And our Facebook trade is starting to climb now. Came down to that 270, held that 270. Yesterday worried me a little bit. We came all the way down to about 264, and we ended the day then around 272, which was a nice pickup from the day's lows. So still holding that 270 support area there. Looking like it's going to start to climb. Markets are looking good, so let's see how the day goes here, team. We'll be looking for some swing trades, possibly maybe even doing a paycheck trade today. We'll look for a good, possibly in-the-money vertical spread for a paycheck trade. Google's up over 1.19%. Nice climb on Google. I might do something with Google today for that paycheck trade. Amazon, not too confident with Amazon yet to jump in that this early on that retracement. Twitter's still holding below that 10-day simple moving average. Microsoft holding that 10 and 50-day simple moving average, holding that 210 area. Might be doing something with that today. Intel is still looking good. I might jump into an Intel trade. You guys remember we were talking about a hook pattern on Intel. We're almost there to that $48 mark, so that might be coming in the next day or two. Here we go. Markets are open. Let's see how we do here, team. Let's put on here. Let's see. There goes AbbVie taking off nicely. AbbVie breaking $99 a share. Waiting for that option to settle here. Still showing a bid of 88 cents, an ask of 95. Facebook climbing a bit here. AbbVie still on the climb, 99.15.
Brazil's health regulator announcing resumption of trials for China's Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine.
There we go. There's our AbbVie trade showing some gains there. Alrighty, guys, I just sold our AbbVie trade. I just sold that at $1.45 a contract. We were in at, what, 85 cents, Ephraim? 1.45, divide that by 0.85. We just sold that for a 71% gain. She's still climbing, but we had a quick $300 profit on that this morning. I wanted to lock that in. Nice gain there on our AbbVie trade. Let's see there. Ephraim, what did we get into our AbbVie trade at? 85 cents? What was the entry price? Nice. Our entry was 85 cents on AbbVie. We just closed it out for $1.45. She's still climbing. She's at $1.70 right now. So nice 71% gain on that trade, Efren. Now let's see what Boeing, Facebook, and Disney are doing. Those are 3 trades we are in right now. Let's take a look at Boeing, BA. Boeing not doing too much just yet. The Boeing, we have the December 18th. That one we jumped into because of the 737 MAX that will be coming back here shortly. So going to be holding that trade for a little bit. That's why we got the December 18th expo on Boeing. Disney, we made a high-risk earnings trade on Disney for this week. Disney reports earnings, let's see, I believe Thursday, right, Efren? Let's see here. DIS. Disney earnings are tomorrow. Tomorrow at 16:05 p.m. So at 4:05 p.m. we'll be having Disney earnings there. Looking good. Now let's look for some good swing trade setups, possibly a nice day trade. AbbVie is still on the run there. Nice break on an AbbVie. I'm watching some of these other charts here. If Amazon starts to take off, I'm definitely going to be jumping into either Amazon or Google. NASDAQ's up about 100 points, which is nice. 103 points right now, 0.9%.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.4% after the open. S&P 500 up 0.5%. NASDAQ Composite up 0.8% after the open.
Amazon's looking ready for a breakout there. Facebook is looking good, getting up to 275.
FB Facebook says it expects U.S. post-election ban on political ads to last another month. That in an email sent to advertisers. That's Foxtrot Bravo.
There goes Amazon and Google, both taking off right now. Guys, you guys take a look at Intel. Intel's having a big spike here. Look at the 3-month daily on Intel. Remember, this is a hook pattern. Looking for that continued hook up to that 48 to 50 area. 48 to 50 was our target profit area for the December Expo. Looking good there. NASDAQ's continuing to break out here, team. I might be jumping into an Amazon trade here soon. Amazon or Google. Love that Google chart. I really do. There goes Amazon, a big breakout on Amazon. Look at that big climb there on Amazon, looking good, continuing to break higher. AbbVie pulled back there. Nice exit out of AbbVie. Apple continuing to climb higher. Let's see what's on the news wire here. Earnings after the bell today. Fossil, Purple.
FTEK halted on a circuit breaker. Foxtrot Tango Echo Kilo halted on a circuit breaker.
Hearing Facebook sees U.S. post-election ban on political ads to last another month. I think I'm gonna order a coffee quick.
Company reporting their earnings after the close yesterday. revenue, up 26.4%.
Let's see, TLT Wednesday's market minute. The new trends in bonds will be an agonizing one.
Versus a year ago loss.
FedEx, Kramer on CNBC says if Dr. Scott Goodaleb is correct on future, then UPS FedEx will be gaining more business as online shopping increases. Let's take a look at FedEx and UPS. We haven't watched that for a while. It's been a week or two. FedEx is still climbing nicely. I like that setup on FedEx going into the holiday. What do you guys think? Thinking about doing a trade like that. I'm watching Google. Amazon still on the climb.
SPCE, Virgin Galactic shares getting a pop here at 21.
Guys, Space, Virgin Galactic getting us pop. SPCE.
At the highs, can be popping.
Nice climb on Virgin. That's a nice target there for that 2250.
EU agrees to pay less than $19.50 per dose for Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. That from an EU source reported by Reuters, to pay less than US for Pfizer vaccine under initial deal. That's PFE and BNTX, now reported by Reuters.
I'm watching over here to the right here, Google. If it breaks that 1754 area, I'm probably going to be doing a little day trade on Google, or maybe a swing trade for next week. Let's see, Tesla. I really like that FedEx chart though, guys. I really think we got to jump into FedEx here. She's climbing at the day's high just about. I think we're going to do a FedEx trade here, team. What day is Black Friday? Do you guys know? Black Friday 2020. What day is Black Friday? It's got to be the 27th, right? $270. You need that about 300.
ESHG, Papa Sandy Hotel Golf.
So if that's on the 27th, I could do the December 4th, but the December 18th is actually not that much more. Let's see what UPS is doing here. But see, the thing with that, I need that at 300.
43%. Papa Sandy Hotel Golf.
UPS. UPS is looking great there.
FTEK is open now again. Foxtrot Tango Echo Kilo. BioNtech at a high of $1.74, now at $1.55.
Apple's still continuing to break higher. Amazon's still on the climb. Take a look at Amazon. Amazon today, 1 minute chart, looking good. Nice climb there. Google's starting to take off. So let's see. Amazon's up 2%. Google is up about 0.9%. I want to do a trade on Google here. I really like Amazon though as well. Guys, Facebook's having a big breakout here. Nice breakout on Facebook, back up to 277. Look at that climb on Facebook, team. Nearing 278. There goes Google taking off. All right, let's see here what we could do on Google.
CAPR, Capricorn, traders circulating a report from lifeextension.com. An exclusive interview, Capricorn CEO says its COVID-19 treatment works and is extremely promising. That's Charlie Alpha Papa Romeo, CAPR. Says 4 of our patients fully recovered and are now back home, contributing to living a full life again. That's CAPR.
Let's see here.
Shares of Capricorn Therapeutics spiking to $4.78 at the high, now at $4.58, up 7.7% now on CAPR.
Hey, Efren, on the main account here, I have the Walmart trade, the 146 strike call. I'm up on that nicely. I'm going to lock that in, okay? You remember that on the main account there? November 27th. Lock that up. Limit. Efren, I'm out at 452 on the Walmart trade. I'm going to post that in the trade room. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in here. I think I'm going to make that, I think I want to do the Google trade here. I need to get a call on Google here for next week's expo. 1760. Okay, I just got some Google calls, guys. Let's take a look. This is a larger trade, obviously. This is in the main account. Alrighty, team. Here is a new trade I just got. I was executed at $30 a contract. I picked up the Google November 20th, 1760 strike call.
Moving here after resuming trade, hitting new highs at $10.84. That's Romeo Echo Victor. AAPL, American Airlines, U.S. Department of Transportation official says American to start.
Already up a quick $100 on the Google trade, guys.
US weekly spikes to China to 10 from 8. That's Alpha Lima.
Google's still on the run here, looking good. Facebook trades looking great. Got a quick $150 gain on the Google trade team. Here is the Google trade we just made. We picked up the Google November 20th, 1760 call. We paid $30 per contract for it. Got some nice gains already, $150, still continuing to climb, looking good. Up about 5% on that trade already. NASDAQ is looking great. NASDAQ's up about 170 points right now, up 1.45%. Facebook, if you look at Facebook team, Facebook came down to that 10, starting to climb off that 10-day simple moving average. Looking good. I want to see it break above that 278 for that next run here. Boeing looks like it's starting to climb here. Nice climb on Boeing. There we go. Came all the way down to about 184. She's at 188 now, continuing to climb and break out momentum. There goes Amazon. Amazon's breaking above that 3107 now, reaching up to that 3110. Google's climbing again here as well. Apple's still holding strong at 118.04. Take a look at Apple shares here. Apple's continuing a nice breakout there. Nice breakout momentum on Apple.
National Hurricane Center says Ada, located about 145 miles south-southwest of Tampa, Florida, with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour.
Nice climb there on Google. There goes Google and Amazon again. Facebook's getting up to that 278. Apple's at 118.01. There goes Apple, still continuing to climb there. Let's see what Google's doing. Nice continued climb on Apple. Facebook's holding that 10 right now. Amazon's coming back down to that 10 at 3,100. Google's doing the same. Nice gains today on that AbbVie trade, 71%. Walmart.
FTRX shares now $20.15 on
All right, so our target, let me go over that with you on our Google trade. Our target is going to be an easy 1800. Our stop is going to be 1725. We can make that even tighter at 1730. Nice continued breakout here on Google. Google trade's taking off nicely.
REV, Revlon, halted again on the circuit breaker on the way down, $10.19, Bogey Record Victor.
The market is full of disruption, but a strategic investing approach can prepare you for what's ahead and give you the confidence to harness opportunity and manage risk. What should the priority be?
We think it's really critical to make sure that you continue to focus on your long-term goals.
My two messages would be look past the headlines, and number two, focus on real return potential.
Go beyond disruption to invest in opportunity with T. Rowe Price.
Nice continued breakout there on Google. See what we're up on our Google trade, $100, 3%. Waiting for that next nice climb here. Let's see, Revlon shares halted on circuit breakers. Shares still up 16% for the session. REV. Ooh, that's probably the coffee here. Hello?
Hi, it's Liz here.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me get the coffee quick, team.
Take a look at tech today, especially in the chip space. Skyworks, Qualcomm, ServiceNow, Qorvo, NVIDIA, Xilinx also in the mix, a little bit lower down the list, but definitely helping the S&P gainers as a lot of the real estate trusts are the losers this morning. Squawk of the street continues in a moment. Don't go away.
Enterprise artificial intelligence has the power to transform the most complex organizations and the world, delivering medical supplies where they're needed, keeping our armed forces at the ready. Safer
Okay, let's see here.
helping families with mesothelioma is all we do. My firm has been offering a free book on mesothelioma for over 10 years.
Ray, what have you been trading, buddy? Anything? Let's see what else we got going on here. Micron's up about 1.5%. Nice chart there on Micron. 1020 cross. MACD looks good. Histogram's looking great. Candles above 1020. 50-day simple moving average. If we zoom out a little bit here, we're going to see some resistance right around 58 bucks. And after that, we could look at new all-time highs around 62.
Shares of Momo off the highs now 15.66. Seeing some heavy fall activity. November
TXN Texas Instruments looking good. 1020 cross. Retracement back down to that 10-day simple moving average. Climbing off that 10-day simple moving average. Looking good. Histogram's looking good. 1020 cross. MACD's crossed. Candles above 1020 50-day simple moving average. AMD. Wow, what a climb on AMD.
UAL and
Big
CLX
pullback though yesterday on AMD, holding that 10-day simple moving average. Any of you in the trade room in AMD?
terminals. That's UAL and CLX.
Big candle there on Amazon. AMZN. Look at that today, 1 minute chart there. Huge climb there. Guys, did you guys see Apple? What a breakout here on Apple. AAPL. Look at that breakout on Apple here. Look at that candle. Breaking that 118.10 area. Amazon still on the run. There goes Amazon. Candle above previous candle's body. Another big breakout there for Amazon. Let's see if Google's going to start to go with it. There she goes. There goes Google now. Another nice climb in the market. Well, for NASDAQ anyway, Dow is in the red right now. Man, I haven't felt this great in a while. I'm telling you. Feel absolutely amazing. Alibaba Singles Day. Baba's starting to climb a little bit there. Guys, there's breaking news. AIG was just downgraded. Big downgrade on AIG to sell and neutral. Big breakdown there on Google. Not worried about Google. I think that's going to continue to run nicely over the next few days here. Looking for that 1800 target. There goes Amazon again. Thinking about doing a trade on Amazon going into the holiday. I like that retracement it had. It came down to those lows. Nice breakout there possible. Look at Baba taking off here, team. There goes Facebook starting to climb again, too. Apple's having a big breakout now. Google's flattened out. That 1750, 250. Take a look at Alibaba. And guys, remember, today is Singles Day for Alibaba. So this could get a really nice climb today. 6-month daily. I mean, look at how beautiful. This was resistance, right? And then it broke above it, and then it became support. So, beautiful resistance. And then once it broke that resistance, resistance is now becoming support. So really nice transition there from once it was trying to break that resistance. It finally broke above it, and now she's staying above that support area, which was previous resistance on Alibaba. So really nice setup there. And with it being Singles Day, I think Alibaba is going to continue to climb here. Let me see what we could do on Alibaba if there's any good setups here. There goes Apple taking off nicely, 118.15. Baba's still continuing to climb. Let's see, November 13th, 270, going for about $5.
SRNE shares now over the $7 level. The stock up about 22% for the session last year.
I could definitely pick something up with that. This is the trade challenge account right here. So let's see here. Hello, Dayron. Welcome aboard. Nice to have you with us. Where are you here? Let's see. There he is. Nice. Dayron Alvarez. Welcome aboard, Team BCA. Nice to have you with us. And thank you for serving our country. Looking at a setup here. Look at Amazon breaking the highs of the day right now. Thinking about doing a trade here on Baba. Apple's breaking out really nicely here. Alrighty, let's see here. I think I'm going to make a trade. Options. I think I'm going to make a trade on Alibaba. Darren. No problem. Darren, we are live on Zoom if you want to come on our Zoom. It's a little less of a delay than YouTube. Actually, it's instantly.
Volume bar shares through the $41 level, halted on a circuit breaker at 42.
Julia Miralis says, could you please take a look at AMD? Absolutely. I'm thinking about making a trade quick, though, on Baba. Let me just make this trade. Okay, Baba, buy to open. I'm going to pick up the November 20th. The 270 strike call is going for about $9. You know what? I think I'm going to do an in-the-money vertical spread on Baba. Call spread, buy to open, 10 contracts. Sell to open, 10 contracts. I'm going to do the 267.50, 270 vertical spread. Midpoint is $1.25, 1.25 to be worth $2.50 there. Let's see, preview order, place trade. That's for November 13th. Yeah, it's going to be fine. View order. It's an open order. Let me change that here. Change it to... Let me change it to 1.30. view order. BABA November 13th, 267.50 call. Sold to open to 270. Okay, there we go. That order was executed. Ephraim, we have a BABA trade on now, a vertical spread. Okay, so here is the order that we got. This is a vertical spread. And there you go, guys. I just got 10 contracts of that BABA vertical spread. That's going to be a paycheck trade, Ephraim.
Mask-related stocks spike American Wine and ABT.
That's an in-the-money vertical spread. That's going to be our paycheck trade. All right, so the paycheck trade was just posted in the trade room there at breakingchartalerts.com. I just posted that in the trade room for you guys. That's a nice paycheck trade I like there. If you guys see Baba's still breaking out beautifully here. I like that breakout. There was that 1020 cross after that consolidation area. Broke out of that consolidation area, having a nice run here. Big breakout momentum. Looking at a 3-month daily, I think we should easily see that get back up to that 280 area. Anything above 270 is going to give us our max net gain on that trade. And if we take a look here, Boeing's almost in the green here for the day as well. BA. It's actually in the green right now as we speak. Boeing's breaking out, getting up to that 189. Nice retracement there this morning, climbing from that lows. And now let's see that break that 190 for the day here. Love that setup on Boeing. Only thing we need now is our spec trade, our earnings trade we made on Disney to pay off here. Boeing's continuing to run, looking good. Let's see there. Julia Miralis says, can you please take a look at AMD? Let's take a look at AMD. AMD came right down to that 50, held that 50, has nice consolidation here. If I could break that consolidation area and get a run up above that, we'll see that take out the new highs. Here's going to be the resistance area. And that's going to be right at about, let's see here. Resistance is going to be right at about 80.25 a share. So we get that break above this consolidation box. We should easily see that take out the highs there of the day. I like AMD. Now let's take a look at the 3-month daily on AMD. I like how it's holding that. Let me bring up my thing here. Amazon's on another rise here, guys. Amazon new highs of the day. AMD, though, that's looking great. I'd probably be trading that up to about 83 bucks. That should be an easy target. Amazon team. Amazon's having a nice breakout. Today, 1-minute chart here. Amazon, new highs of the day on Amazon. Baba, new highs of the day on Baba. Another nice breakout there on Amazon. Baba. Google's holding that 50-day simple moving average. Take a look at Baba right now, and Baba's continuing to break out here too. Consolidated at that 270, now running for that 271. And there you go, nice breakout there on Alibaba. Oh man. This coffee from Starbucks has a hole in the bottom of it.
6.5% now.
Man, that's not good. Let's see, let's clean that up. Got on my keyboards. Looks like I wet my pants, but that should dry off. Boeing still on the run. Looking good on Boeing, guys. Boeing trades in the green today. Ephraim, that definitely wet my pants this morning, that 71% gain. That was nice. Guys, look at Amazon. Amazon is still breaking out there. 31.28. Stock's up 3% for the day there. I don't know why this keeps going. Oh, I think there's something up with my keyboard. Oh, the keyboard's all messed up here, team. It definitely got into that keyboard. Let me see if this air thing will shoot it out. There we go. I think it worked. I think that worked. There we go. Nice. Look at Amazon still on the run there. You gotta love this, Thomas. This thing gets ice cold, but it works. Ephraim, you got me attached to those, didn't you? When you were working up at the office here. You ever watch that intervention show where people sniff that stuff? Oh my God. I don't know how they could do that. It's freezing cold. Yes, I have, Tyler. Absolutely. Maybe that's where I saw it. Either intervention or my strange addiction. The worst is the one that chews rocks and then the one that drinks gasoline. Oh. I'm sure there's probably some new ones out there. Guys, look at our BABA trade. Our BABA paycheck trade, baby. Nearing 272. Nice. Nice breakout on Alibaba. I never saw the one where she eats her mattress. I saw the one guy that humps his car at night. But that was basically it. You guys see that one that makes love to his car? Yeah, that was a crazy one. You got to look at that one, Ephraim. The guy comes home from work and he says his car is so beautiful, he goes and makes love to it every night. Okay, let's get back to trading. We got off topic there. Facebook holding that 50-day simple moving average, getting back up to that 277. Amazon pulled back to that 10, AMZN. Pulled down to that 10-day simple moving average, still having a nice climb. Our BABA trade, that's going to be a nice paycheck trade. I'm thinking about adding another 15 contracts to that to make that 25 contracts instead of 10. There goes Amazon again, team. Amazon, Baba. There goes Google taking off. Apple's taking off here. Looking good, team. Looking really good. Got some nice gains today. Those of you that are watching on YouTube, if you guys are a member of the military, we have a sale going on today. We have our Veterans Day sale, 50% off our yearly membership. So if you guys on YouTube are watching and want to take advantage, it ends today. It's 50% off our yearly membership and our trading academy. 50% off. You guys could either message us in the YouTube chat or you guys could shoot us a message on Facebook, Breaking Chart Alerts, and we'd be happy to help you out. A lot of people joining today for Veterans Day, taking advantage of that promo code. Welcome aboard, guys. That Baba vertical spread there, that's our paycheck trade. That is looking great. Amazon still on the climb there. Facebook holding that 50-day simple moving average. Apple still on the climb, 118.08.
MDGS, Medigas, says Matt signed merger agreement with vehicle importer Global Automax. That's Michael Delta Golf Sandy, MDGS. Shares of Medigas spiking to $2.25 at the high and halted on a circuit breaker. Michael Delta Golf Sandy offered that press release.
NASDAQ's now up 160 points for the day, 1.4%. Guys in the trade room, you guys have any charts you want to take a look at? There goes Facebook again. I'm watching Facebook here, looking nice. You know, like a lot of people say, Dave, trade from home. But, you know, like, I don't know. I like being at the office here and I like doing these. I mean, COVID cases are climbing here. The building's getting really strict with wearing masks again. Look at Facebook taking off here again. Nice climb there on Facebook, breaking that 277.10. Alrighty, Alex T says, what about Microsoft? MSFT, let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft's looking great. What a heck of a breakout there. Up $5, 2.4% for the day. I love that setup there, Alex. If you take a look at what happened here with Microsoft. You had a nice breakout, right? And then what happened? You retraced right back down to that 10-day simple moving average. It held that, and it's continuing to climb higher now. So I like that. I'd be looking for that 225 as target. 225 would be my target if you're in Microsoft trade. I'd be going with that November 20th Expo for Microsoft. I think that's going to continue to run there going into the holidays. Actually, I'd like it even more if it was December 4th Expo. December 4th Expo, maybe a little bit further out. Love that setup there. Now take a look at Apple. Apple's just been consolidating for quite some time here on a today 1 minute chart. You guys can see that consolidation area, and that's why it's so important to be watching that. Here's your consolidation box on Apple there. So you're waiting for a break above that consolidation box to be adding to Apple, or a break below that to be entering into a day trade with some Apple puts there. But right now it's looking good. It's holding that area there and looking fine. Let's see what Facebook's doing here. Facebook still wants to climb, breaking that 277.02 again. Boeing back up to that 188.